Daniel let me put him down in the swing momentarily while I did my makeup. Can't see your pretty smiles. There. You see yourself, buddy? Yeah. I want to say thank you to today's video sponsor, KiwiCo. We have some rain in the forecast, so the kids are gonna play outside until they can't anymore because it's a little bit warm, and so you can't miss out on outside play whenever it's warm in February. And then when it starts to rain, they're gonna come in and we'll do our crates. They're all extremely excited about it. As soon as the box comes, they want to open it, but can't do it just yet. Yeah. Here's your backpack. Here it is. Look, you're gonna make your backpack. You need to put your nose right here, okay?
Can you please?
So this is because your theme is whales, I guess. It's gonna have whale tails. See, there's a story. And then it has some facts about whales. You know the biggest animal on the whole planet?
Megalodon?
Baleen whale.
But it used to be the Megalodon.
Back in the day. Oh look, Eli, there's a recipe. Raisin, string cheese, bread dough. You would like that. So Eli, wet your paintbrush and use it to pick up some paint. The paints are dry. Use lots of water to wet them. Cover the whole whale with paint. Use a lot of water as you paint and feel free to mix colors. You're gonna get your paintbrush wet. You're gonna use these blues. You can really use any colors you want. And you're supposed to paint both whales. Now see what they did? They did a blue one and a green one. And then listen to this.
Okay, buddy.
While the paint is wet, sprinkle on some salt. I wonder what that does. Interesting. It creates some kind of effect, I guess. Oh, see, look, Eli, it makes it speckled. Why don't we do it here, not on the road? Do it right here, okay?
Right there?
Yes. Oh yeah, put your whale here. If you use lots of water, it'll make it more like the watercolor effect and not regular. Looks like Micah has a doctor kit. Do you want to go read our doctor kit book? Yes. Yes. You finally say yes. Let's go read it. All right, let's see here what we got. Kellen to the rescue. Bandages are one of Kellen the koala's favorite things. So when Peter the parrot got scratched up, Kellen knew what to do. Do you want to get our band-aids out, Micah? Look. Here's your band-aid. Can you put on your band-aid? Can you put it on Mommy? Doesn't stick. Oh, it's a Velcro. It sticks to the bag. You take your temperature? You take it? No? It's like you gotta hit your knee. Boop, boop. Gives you, sees if you have reflexes. This goes in your mouth. That's a thermometer. Micah, sweetie, it goes in your ears. See? Like that.
In here, and I'll drag. I'm gonna put this in there. I'm gonna drag it around. I'm gonna drag it to you. I'm gonna drag it to you, Micah. I'm driving the doctor bag to you, Mom. So you just pour sand on it. It'll like look more like a whale first.
Are you gonna sprinkle it with salt?
See? We're done.
Okay, smart. I'll have to wipe this up, but I know it's gonna come off. As I mentioned before, today's video is sponsored by KiwiCo. They are boxes that have STEAM activities. That stands for science, technology, engineering, art, and math. Now what I love about them is they come for all age groups. The crate that my oldest daughter gets, the Tinker crate, it is something that she can work on all day long because it challenges her, but she can always eventually figure it out. And so that's what I love about them the most, is these crates take all day. And so it's hours of occupying the kids. Sometimes we even do them over a couple of days, depending on what we have going on and how the weather is. But I really like them for rainy or winter days especially. And it's a good activity for homeschooling. It's one of those things that for the older kids, it allows them to figure something out on their own. And for the younger kids, it's the parent interaction that is really nice. Okay, now we're gonna put on the little nose. See, look, this little black part goes right up here. Here, Judo, pull this off and put it right at the top of the nose.
No, white.
Right here.
No, right here.
There you go. That looks perfect. Why don't you put this on the white eye?
Here.
Put it down lower. He's gonna look a little bit goofy, like there-ish. There you go. That looks good. Now I think we need to add his ears, okay? Look, yeah, this is gonna go, look, I think this is gonna go in half up here. There's one ear. Oh, here's the other ear. Look, let me show you. Okay, now Jude, put your little tan things, or your, yeah. There, perfect. Now the other one.
We're done with the backpack.
You can put it on now.
See, Mom, you got to put it in there.
Super cool.
Well, you can, this is for a different project. Let's see what you have on your camping theme. Look, Jude, they're roasting marshmallows.
These are marshmallows?
Oh, they talk about hiking. You know what this is? It's not a sandwich. You said sandwich. It's a s'more. You know s'mores.
Mom, what's that? I know that is.
S'mores. We're gonna make s'mores.
Hey, Mom. Well, and we're even gonna make the fire.
Yeah, you're gonna make the fire too.
Oh, first, the chocolate. What's the chocolate, Mom?
This is the chocolate. This is the graham cracker.
And these are the marshmallows.
Yep, those are the marshmallows.
That's a hot dog. You can eat a hot dog. Can I eat a hot dog? No.
Whoa, okay, that's enough salt.
That's good.
All right, Eli, that's definitely enough salt.
Look, it said to test it, and look at colors light.
That is really cool.
I can bring it farther away to make it color a big surface. Like it's big, and I can make it really little details.
What are you KiwiCo has offered my viewers their first month for free with the link kiwico.com/farmhouse.
I finished my glowing pendulum. It looks pretty cool, I think. Let's turn that on, and then bring it up here. It leaves a trail.
Yeah, I can see it. It's cool. Makes a circle, doesn't it?
Yeah, and then it goes crazy.
Oh, they're sticking to my knife?
Yeah. That happens to every single knife.
Favorite way to eat eggs.
I'm very excited.
Boom. The kids are playing outside. Daniel's obviously napping. And I'm going to try to get some organization done. We got some new cabinets in our mudroom, which I'll be sharing all about later. I have a video planned for that. But today I am going through socks, shoes, hats, coats, everything that should go in a mudroom that we've been very, very inefficient at organizing. With the shoe grid thing that I showed you in our original mudroom makeover, it was good in theory, but there just wasn't enough places to store things, which became more apparent in the winter than the summer. But in this mudroom, I'm going to even put socks, because normally we store all the socks in one drawer upstairs. We just throw them all in. It's just the easiest thing to do. But we always have to go upstairs to get socks, so a child would come down with no socks, and then we have to go back upstairs it's a constant problem. And now that we have tons more storage, I can put that there. My goal is to not store much in the basement, so to have summer and winter all in there. I'm not sure how well that'll work out, we'll see. But it would be nice to not have to swap it out. And I really hate going up and down the stairs to get things. And the kids do swim in the winter because we go to the Y. And so my goal is to get all of that in there. First, I'm gonna go through the socks. Every once in a while, I have to get rid of all of the ones that somehow the matches never came back. You know how that is, I don't know where they go. So I'm gonna go through the socks and hopefully get this super organized and more efficient.
Are you ready?
Yep. Jack, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you, Jack. I'm gonna get you, Jack. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Good doggy. We're playing hide and seek, and Daddy's gonna hide, and we all have to try to find him. Yeah, but after this, we're gonna hide. Oh, sorry. We'll close our eyes.
Okay, you ready for the challenge?
Yep, we're gonna play extreme hide and seek, and the last one to be found win. Count to 300.
Okay, 299, 300. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna count to 1,000. Okay, run. 999. What happened to you, buddy?
I was thinking about hosing him off, but I thought that was too big.
What happened? Woo!
Let's say he went down in the woods.
Are you just playing? That's good. And to totally move around after.
I haven't even found a hiding spot.
Jack, good boy. I think Jack gave you away. You win.
You are right.
First one to lose wins. The trash did come today. Hot dog.
You're seized to count again.
Pardon?
You're seized to count again.
Oh, okay. All right. That doesn't make any sense, but all right. You know what? You caught me fair and square. I was counting too fast. I'll count normal now, okay?
Whoever goes found last, whoever gets found last, gets $1.
$1?
Yes, except this time you gotta give us time to hide.
But what if I find you first?
You still have to give us time to hide.
How do I count? Tell me.
Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 200. But all the way to 100.
All the way to 100 that whole time.
Yeah.
I should probably stop
5,
recording for that.
6. Yeah, definitely.
That's gonna take a long time.
All right, go. So I found a really good spot for us to hide. I think that. Come on. I think he'll never, ever look in the trunk of the car. He'll never look in the because we already are next to our hiding spot. He'll never look in the trunk of the car. Eli, don't come around. I'm gonna teleport in there. 1, 2, 3. So guys, Dad just passed us, okay? He went into the cabin to look. He has no idea that we're in the car. He has no idea. Guys, he just went in that cabin right there. We better duck down so he doesn't see us through the window. He found us.
All right, next I'm gonna go through shoes. My mom is wonderful. She always buys the kids shoes. Anytime she sees a deal, she buys shoes. And so we have tons of shoes, but I need to go through and get rid of all of them that just aren't looking good anymore because I tend to forget to do that. The dog will chew on one or they'll be all scuffed up and I'll just keep them, which at some point you don't want to be looking like a bunch of slobs out in public. And so I'm gonna go through all the shoes, get it to where everybody just has a few pairs and nice pairs. Sorry if I sound a little bit out of breath. I was getting all the shoes from downstairs while we were working on this project. You waking up, buddy? The cabinet project in the mudroom. We've been storing the shoes in the basement, which is not fun, but we didn't really know where to put them. So I have a major mess on my hands here. What I'm doing is I sorted them all the boots out into by kids. I have each kid has a pile, And then I'm going to take the bins that I put in my cabinets and give each kid a shoe bin. And then I'm gonna put all of the hats in a bin and all of the gloves in a bin, and then I'm gonna hang the coats on some tension racks. Alright, well, I'm gonna call it a day on documenting this day because I'm not feeling the best. You can probably tell in my voice. I caught something and I just need to rest. So we're gonna say over and out, but remember to check out KiwiCo. If you haven't ordered a box, you can get your first box for free by visiting kiwico.com/farmhouse. I'll also leave the link down in the description box. Well, thank you so much for stopping by the farmhouse.